What's up, you guys? This is Holstrong here, and I'm back at it again. I saw an opportunity here. I'm looking at the platform right now. I'm trading OTC, which, if you guys don't know, OTC is basically a binary market. It's not a forex market. Forex is basically currencies at the actual market rate. And OTC is made up, but it's influenced by the traders. But it works the same way. Um, it works the same way. So what we're looking for is several things. Today I want to go over a strategy. It's called double up strategy, right? There's different names for this strategy. But basically what we do is we use direction. Right now we see that it's bouncing up. This is the 1 minute chart. The payout is 93%. Our account balance is at $7,000. Let's see what 5 minutes. So I think it's at a range right now. There's a potential for it to go up. Right now what we're using is zigzag. What zigzag does, it identifies turning points for the markets. As you guys can see. Yep, it's doing exactly what I thought. So it hit a resistance level and it's bouncing up. Once this surpasses this area right here, it's going to push up. You're going to see that the zigzag is going to move a little bit higher. So let's check out some other areas, other charts. Here there's some volatility. It's in a range. So when trading binary options, you have the ability to decide whether a position is going up or it's going down. You see how it's changing? Up, it's green. Down, it's red. You can choose from 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30, hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. So you get to choose whatever time frame that you want to choose. You can actually edit it too. That works also. And here you can change the rate in which you want to, the rate of the price that you want. And we're going to start with 20. And this is what we're going to be doing. I'm just looking for an opportunity. We're looking at the 1 minute. This looks very choppy. I'm looking for a direction. This is actually pretty good right here. So right here, it has a high, it has a low. What we want is rejection for it to push up higher, right? So what we're gonna do, let's check out the 5 minute. So it hasn't connected yet for the zigzag. And I want to go back. I want to check. I think it was USD ARS. So it's going on the upside. Okay, I'm just checking that out. So basically with the double up strategy, the thing that you are doing is, for example, I'm starting off with $20, right? I put a position. If the position is in profit, then I don't do anything, right? But if it's moving against my position and we're seeing that it's still within a resistance level, that it's still going to be continuing within that same zone, then what we do is we double up. So our next position would be 40, and then the next position, because we put a $20 position and then a $40 position, which totals to 60. If we're losing our $40 position, then what we're going to do is we're going to double our $60 position to 120. So it'll be 20, 40, 120, and then after that it's the next one. So I'll tell you guys as we're going. So right here, right now, we're at 3 minutes and 31 seconds. I'm looking at this resistance level. I think it's going to stay within that level. And here I'm going to put a minute. Okay, so it looks like we're in profit so far. 1 minute, $20 position. If we win this, we win $17.20. So it's giving us $37.20 back. Simple, right? I like to use the RSI to kind of identify if it's at a high point or at a low point, a turning point. But in reality, you don't really need to mark up your charts like I do. In reality, you just look at momentum, what direction it's moving, and in what area it's trying to move to. So you have a resistance level right over here, a resistance level right over here. So that's what you're looking for. Okay, so we lost that position. We're going to do 2 more on the downside. So if we win this, it gives us what? Let's see, 40 minus 72. That's about a $32.40 profit. So if you don't think that you can make 20 or 40 or $100 an hour, this is a strategy that can help you to get to that level. Literally about, what day is it today? Today's Thursday. So on Monday, I started off with around $3,000. So we're up quite a bit by the end of this week. I'm not being as aggressive as other days, but it's a good amount of profit. Okay, looks like we might win this. Perfect. All right, see, our account balance just went up. Once we hit, 10 grand, we'll be reaching a pro level, which will give us like 4% more profit for each position that we take. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you guys can comment down below. I'll respond to you guys. I'll give you guys a little bit of insight. Okay, I'm still looking at this resistance level. I think it's going to continue down. Okay, I'm going to continue down. Okay. So if you guys don't actually know, so we have an updated website where I'm going to be actually having you guys get information about trading. If you guys want to join our trading group, our affiliate program. So I'm doing challenges for you guys. If you guys join our affiliate program, you guys actually get the chance to get funded by me. And the first time that you're opening up an account and you actually have to fund an account of $50 or more, but you can put $50 and I will reimburse you $50. So if you guys are interested in trading, you guys can put in $50 and I'll reimburse you for $50, because what you're doing is you're not doing it for yourself, but you're telling me that you're interested in trading and you want to get funded. So you want to have a bigger account with me and get 50% commission. So if you guys are trading, I'm sorry if I blank out. I'm just looking at the positions. It looks like it's about to touch. I'm gonna put another position. So I think we just made another $17. I think we're like up 30 something dollars. Okay, so we'll wait to see what's going on right here. So if you guys are consistent in profits for 3 months, I'll be reaching out, or you can reach out to me and tell me, hey, I think I'm ready. So I can overview your trades, so I can go over your history and kind of get to know what your mentality is, why you took some trades. If I feel like you're ready to take on some real risk, then I'll be funding you a $5,000 account or a $15,000 account, depending on where I see where you're at. Just remind yourself, like I have like 15 plus years of trading experience. So if I give you guys pointers, don't take it personal. I'm not gonna be offensive, but it's to help you improve. Okay? I'm not. I don't judge. Everyone trades differently, and every trader actually, believe it or not, a lot of the traders that I've taught before have become really great traders, and they've taught me a lot of things also. So it's a learning experience. I have a lot of experience. I have adaptability. We have a lot of a lot of strategies because we've shared knowledge with each other. But yeah, so this is one strategy. I like this strategy because I like to stack up, and I kind of already put myself like, this is how much I want to risk. I don't want to go over this amount of risk, and if I were to lose that risk, I stop trading for the day. So for example, if you have a $50 account, you can start with $1, then put $2, then put $4 or $6, and then after that you can put like a $20 trade. So easily you can double up. I think the other day I was teaching let's see, 60, so we're gonna put 120. I was teaching somebody in person. Here, let me see what the 5-minute is doing. Okay, and I'm actually going to change the time frame to 1:30. I think it's going to come back down. So, it's shot back down. So if we get this, we'll get 226 with 80 cents. So what I was, sorry, where was I? So what I was doing is actually I was trading with somebody. I was teaching them how to do this strategy, but with like a smaller account. It was like a $50 account. We turned those $50 into 80 something dollars the first day, and then turned the $80 into like 200 and something the next day. So it's possible to do, right? It's not hard. The hard part is the mental. Like if you lose a trade or two, don't just click away and start losing trades. No, you want to be patient and you want to look for the perfect opportunity. You want to find if determining what's going on in the charts. Like right here, we're looking at a range, right? So there's a lot of up and down movements, a lot of like resistance. I like resistance because it gives me a lot to play with. Here actually, I'm gonna calculate this. What would be after 120, right? So let's see, 120 plus 60. So double that times 2 is 360. So our next position would have been 360. So technically, I think we're just timesing it by 3 after this. 226. All right. So I think we started off with what, 7,000, like 290 or something like that. So we're definitely up like $90 so far. So we're gonna put another $20 trade. And I'm going to switch this back to a 1 minute. Okay, so we're reaching resistance. I'm waiting for this to either pull up to this area or pull down to this area so I can go against it. I like to trade resistance. Resistance is my friend. So when it's going against the market, I like to trade against it. Let me know if you are a person interested in trading with me. If you want to be a part of the affiliate program, remember, if you guys deposit $50, I will reimburse you. Just give me your. Well, we'll hop on a video chat. I want to get to know you personally, and I want to get your information. I don't need to collect any like uh, like banking or anything information. Like I'm not invading your privacy. All you got to do is set up an account with Melio, so I can ship basically a check to your home address. So you'll receive your $50 within like a week. And I can show you, I can send you like the shipping details and all that stuff, so you guys are not, scared that you're not getting your $50. So I'll make sure that you're well taken care of. Man, it's weird weather here in California. It's like super windy right now. It started off kind of like cold, sunny. Now it's windy. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I think it's trying to find a range. Let me see. So once this minute expires, then I will put on the next position or look for a better opportunity. But right here, I'm looking at resistance. I see a bunch of resistance. So there's still a lot of opportunities here. So what do I mean by resistance? These are resistance levels. Look, I'm going to mark them up. Let's see. Oops, wrong one. Oh, wait, no, I think that was the right one. Horizontal line. Okay. So that's what I'm going to use. So I got that one. So I ended up winning that position. Look, that's a resistance level. This is a resistance level. This is a resistance level. That's a resistance level. So you see that? So right now it's in a range, right? You see how it like came up, came down, came up, it touched that resistance level, it pushed off of it. So basically it's a strong border and it's not going above it. It hasn't gone above it. Once it goes above it and it continues to push up, then we have a whole different area of resistance, right? So it's continuing to push up. So it might continue to push up, and that's another good opportunity to hop in for a long trade. Or if you want to use the same strategy on the upside, you can use that. So this strategy, you can use it in multiple ways. When you start to trade, you start to find out how you like to trade. So okay, so we see this second green candle. It's coming back down. Okay, so we're going to wait for the first minute of the next candle to pop up, and then I'm going to take a trade. Okay. And you guys can trade from any part of the world. The only thing though for US traders, you have to use a VPN. If you guys don't know what a VPN is, basically it's a service where your location can be found in a different country. So like Mexico, that's what I use, Mexico. And when you guys are using the affiliate program, you guys are able to trade with me. Okay, see how it's pushing up. It's reaching this other resistance level right here. I'm going to say it's going to go down. I feel like it might push a little bit higher and then come back down. It's going to do a fake out. So if you guys joined the affiliate program, it's on our website. And here is our website actually. It's holdstrongimpact.club. And click on Quotex Traders, and you will see our affiliate link right here. So you click on that, it'll take you straight to Quotex. If you can't access Quotex, you have to get a VPN. So I'll link another. I'll link a VPN, or actually, I'll link the VPN provider that I use. So you guys can use it too. If you're in the US, you guys will need a VPN service. Okay, looks like we made another, what is it, 17 bucks. Actually, I'm going to go with another position. Same thing. I think it's going to come back down. So any of you can do this. I would suggest starting with at least 100 bucks or 200 bucks to play it safe, and start with $1. And then when I first started trading, what I would do is I would put $200, trade with $1 position, and then go from $1 to $2, and then to $5, and then from $5 to $10, and then from $10 to $25, and then from $25 to $50, something like that. But you would make between like $1 to like $5 per position that you make, and it easily adds up to like $20 to like $40 an hour. When you're first starting off, that's amazing. That's great. And you can do the same thing with a smaller account, like a $50 account. You can just stop at like, okay, I put 2 positions. So you can start with $1 if you have $50, right? You can start with 1, 2, 5, and let's say 10, just to keep the, how would I say, just so you can keep the risk managed, so you don't blow your account at all or as fast. But when you're starting off, you want to start slow, and you want to start with a small amount. But trust me, you can start with $50 and turn it into 100, and then from 100 to 200, and then from 200 to 400, and then from 400 to 1,000, and then from 1,000, so on. Once you get to 1,000, it's so much more easier and less risk. And you can make $30, $80 an hour that way. Okay. So it looks like it's starting to push up, but I still feel like there's going to be resistance in this area right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait to see if it's going to push up, stay up there. If it stays up there, then it's going to continue in that range and a continuation on the upside. Or what we can see right now, which I feel like is about to happen, we might have a reversal and it's going to push down really hard. Because I see that right here. This is called the RSI. It's just showing me in what direction, what momentum it's going. And it's pushing up. It's pushing up to this level right here. Once it reaches this level, it continues to push up for a little bit more, and then it rejects really hard. If you ever see the RSI like just hanging out up here for very long periods of time, don't think that it's gonna get rejected anytime soon. It might just continue to go up very slowly. So be careful. A lot of things to learn, but just learn the basics, learn momentum, learn ranges, what we're doing right now, right? This is called the double up strategy. So just double up every single time that you lose a trade. So double up the amount, right? So 20, then 40, and then after 40, so basically once you get to 40, times it by 3, it's technically double, because you're adding all your losses. So times it by 3, so 40 times 3, 120, and then 120 times 3, 360, and then 360 times 3 is like 9, or 1,020, something like that. So you can see how quickly it can go up. All right, so it looks like it's gonna go up now. It's touching this resistance level right here. I like the fact that it almost came up here, but I think it's gonna touch a little higher. I think it has a lot of opportunity to go a lot higher right here. Super simple strategy, super profitable, and easy to manage. So what helps me, or what helped me at the beginning of my trading career with binary, was I would write down every single position. So like, right, for example, if I have $50, I would put one step, like the steps basically. So 1, and then 2, and then 5, and then 10. Just so I wouldn't get sidetracked. So if I remember, I put $1. If it loses, I'm going to put $2. If it loses, I'm going to put $5. If it loses, I'm going to put 10. So it's a total of 15, 17, 18. So it gives you about, it's a little bit less than 30% of your account. So it gives you about three plus opportunities to make per 1,000 mark. You're talking about big numbers now. Big profit. All right, so I'm taking another position. It looks like it just wants to hang right there. Yeah, and it's starting to push up. So this is going to be like a 30-minute video. Let me know if you guys watched all the way through. If you guys did, you guys are the real ones. Tomorrow I'll show you guys. Tomorrow, or what day is tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday. Tuesdays and Thursdays, usually that's when I'm going to be posting videos. But I'm going to try to put some more content out there just so that our new traders have something, have like basically knowledge, food to feed off of. Something I'm just going to mention is that something that has helped me become a better trader, not kidding, is reading the Bible. Ooh, look, did you guys see this little jump up? So our next position is 120. I'm actually going to hop in right now because I think it's going to go up. Either it's going to go up or it's about to get rejected really hard. And it looks like it's about to get rejected really hard. Okay, so we'll wait for the expiry. Whew. Oh, we might get this. Fingers crossed. I don't know if you guys can hear my dogs. They're playing outside. Oh my goodness. They love to fight. They love to argue with our neighbor's dog. Okay, so 30 minutes started with, we went up to just 120. We didn't have to go all the way to 360. But basically we started off with 20, did 40, did 120. Pretty good. We made about like 190, almost $200 in 30 minutes. So you guys can do the same. If you guys have like a $500 account, if you guys make a $500 account, you guys can actually use that same strategy to grow an account. So you guys can start with 20, or start with 5, then 20, and then you guys can do 40 and then 120. So to keep it, like, to keep the risk at bay. But we just made $200. So if you would have had $500 that you would have started with, that would have brought you to $700. And then from $700, you want to bring it to $900, and then from $900 to $1,000. So you basically double your account. And that's what I want to do with you guys, and that's what it means to double. So if you guys um, join our affiliate program on our website, and I'll link the website, I'll link the affiliate program here on the YouTube video. If you guys join the affiliate program, first of all, I'm gonna know that you joined. You can message me and I'll congratulate you and welcome you, and actually probably hop on a video with you if you want to. And basically, if you guys are consistent, one, if I see that you double your account, and two, if you are consistent in profit, you're not going backwards, you're going forward, little by little, then I'll fund your account. And actually, if you guys double your account, you guys get a bonus. You guys get $100. If you guys double your triple your account, you guys actually get a $500 bonus. So yes. So I'll give you guys a check for $100 or $500 if you guys join our affiliate program, if you guys double or triple your account, because I believe in you guys and I want you guys to be encouraged to trade. So test me, you guys, test me. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you watched till the very end, and if you want to join our affiliate program, if you're in the United States, then go to our website, join the affiliate program, and I hope to see you guys soon. Peace.